Chair.
Thutha wa miaka 19 kuma riria thirikari yahitukirie uheani wa matharaita kuri andu kiumbe kuhitukira ruhonge rwa uheani wa matharaita ni small arms and light weapons, riu Minista wa ugitiri niwe Kithure Kindiki niaugite ni undu ukoretwo ugithararia thayo gitaro-ini kia Afrika makiria guku bururi-ini.
We in this part of the world have a challenge to find ways of comprehensively and permanently eradicating illicit trafficking in small arms and light weapons, because I am persuaded that minus the instability that small arms and light weapons are causing in our region, Africa is the next frontier.
Akiaria riria agwikinyetie mucemanio-ini uria maumana atongoria a ngathĩ itiganĩte muciĩ-inĩ munene wa Nairobi, Kindiki niaugite ni undu ukoretwo ugicungirira ngui na kwagithia a Kenya thayo.
Illicit trafficking in small arms and light weapons continue to fuel conflict in many of our countries. It continues to undermine governance in many of our countries. It continues to impede socio-economic development in many of our countries.
Nionenetie uria matharaita macio makoretwo makihuthirwo ni andu mugaru na watho, undu uria ucungireirie ngucanio gatagati-ini ka aikari o hamwe na ene matharaita maya.
Conflict, violence and instability, whose main fuel is small arms and light weapons in the hands of criminals and other unauthorized organizations and persons.
Na kuona gitaro kia Afrika ni gikoretwo kiri muhari-ini wa mbere hari uthii wa na mbere, Kindiki niaugite wagi wa thayo kumana na ngucanio ici ni utametie uthii wa na mbere wonjoria-ini ro hamwe na uciarithania-ini.
And for productivity, so that we don't waste time as Africans killing each other and destroying ourselves and our infrastructure.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjikũ wa Kĩhumba.